Hello, I am here to show you how to log into GetEpic from your home. First step is open up any internet browser, or there is an option to download this as an app as well. So I'm going to show you the internet browser part. So we're going to go to the KPBSD homepage. We're going to go up to the top on the Canvas. And I am already in my student view. If you were not logged in, at this point it would ask for your login information, which would be for first grade, their top number and their bottom number. Then you're going to go into courses and you will click first grade class. Here you can see as our home page. Next, I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom and I'm going to find Epic. First thing I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on that picture and it's going to send me straight to the login page. So our class code to log in is INC3844. Then I'm going to press the go button or I can hit enter on my keyboard. Then you are going to find your name and that way it has all of your books saved. So I'm going to log in as the guest student. And this is what our GetEpic looks like. And it should look similar on an iPad or any other electronic device. So you can see they have lots of options on the GetEpic screen. I do have some things in my mailbox. The mailbox is when I will send you certain videos or books that I would really like you to read or watch. So these are some sound videos that I sent earlier in the year. What is place value? I also made a holidays collection of books that students are free to read, and then there's a few others. So that is the mailbox. My library is going to be all of the books that I have hearted, which means that they are my favorite. And then there's lots of ways that you can explore this website. So I have For You, which is when I've started to read lots of different types of books, they're going to customize my homepage for me. I can also look at AR levels, so I can look and see these are all going to be 1.0 books, which means the beginning of first grade. So I can click on any of these and they will be right at my level, and there should be an AR test that goes along with them that I could take afterwards. I also have a read to me section. If I am feeling like I really would like to listen to a story today, then I can click on any of those and it will read to me while showing me those pictures. There are lots and lots of different types of videos. A lot of these will show you how to make certain things, and there's tons of different categories in our videos. And then there are audiobooks. With audiobooks, they're not going to be showing you those pictures. So if you had The Bad Case of Stripes as a physical copy, then you could click on this, listen to the audiobook while you are turning those pages. Some of these are a little bit more advanced, but you guys are more than welcome to explore through them. See, they've even got our Fly Guy books. So there's a lot of familiar books in here that I bet you might find in your own library. You can also go up to the top and all I did was click on this and then it brought me to here. So I can explore even more specific things. So I have English language arts, I have science and arts, social emotional learning, there's math videos and math books. So there's tons to explore on GetEpic. So you can go through here, look at all of your different things. I hope that you enjoy it. If when you are ready to log out, then all you have to do is just press that X up at the top. And then if you wanted to log back into Canvas, homepage, Canvas, your dashboard, it might show up on your dashboard. I'm going to go into courses and first grade class. And then I would be ready to click on any of the other links that I might want to explore today. If you have any questions, like I've said, please reach out. I'm always here to help. Thank you.